Welcome back to Graphic Design Hub for Beginners. This is Lesson 1, Tools and Trial. For these lessons, we'll need to be on the same page, literally. So for now, we're all going to use Canva for our lessons and use other tools in the future. Let's start. We're going to design a project pitch and proposal for our first lesson with Canva. Start by opening up Canva. Create a personal or school account if you don't already have one. Then click Create a Design and then click Presentation. A blank slideshow will appear. Now we can start. Before we create our project pitch and proposal, we need to know what it needs to include. A project title, your fake name below the title, purpose of the project, and how you will showcase your project. Keep in mind this is not a real project, just a little design to get you going. We can now begin on a blank page. So you can start by picking a color for your project. Once you've decided on a color, begin to let your imagination run wild. But don't do anything too simple or extravagant for that matter. You can always take inspiration and ideas from me, but never copy. That's a big no-no. So as you can see here, I have the base for my little project pitch and proposal. I've got a backdrop here with wiggly lines. I picked the color orange, and I have some speech boxes. And I bet you can guess what this one's for, huh? Yeah, this is the title speech box. Now remember, nothing too simple or extravagant. And mine may look too simple, but it actually isn't. It's pretty good, especially looking at the backdrop I have here. Skipping ahead, I have a title here, as you can see, with a nice font and this little shadow in the back. So this is called an effect. And when these letters went in, that was called a shift, and that's an animation. So it's easy to figure those out. All you gotta do for that is go up to the bar when you're editing your Canva slide, and once you're clicking the text, and then you have effects and animation there as an option. Skipping ahead just once more, I have my final product of project pitch and proposal. I have my project purpose subtitle here, my showcase and advertising subtitle here, and then the text that goes along with it. I've got some little backdrop behind the text as well, if you can see that. So that concludes our lesson 1. Now you learned how to create simple and easy starter designs using a specific graphic designing tool, Canva. This is the beginning of many future projects that we will go through and try our best to overcome. For now, congratulations on a success. This concludes lesson 1 of our voyage in graphic designing. Remember, never copy someone else's design or idea unless they let you. Keep up the good work.